Hello my dear friends, welcome to our channel Experts Prime Team. As you know friends, here we will be providing you full detailed analysis video of each and every game. So please subscribe our channel and press bell icon so that you do not miss any instant notification of each and every game. You can see here sports, each and every sports has been covered here. You can see football, cricket, each and every match we are covering. Also I want to show you one app, the best app present in the market. This is the app. No need to pay for this app. You can get this app in the description link. Join this app, install this app. You'll love this app. See, time era is being fixed. Each and every match, small league and grand league team are being provided over here. You can see each and every game is being provided here. Small league plus grand league full teams are being provided here. I will show you. Network is little bit slow, that's why it is taking time. Look, wait. You can see each and every game, grand league plus small league team being are provided here. See T3, T2, T4, T4. Grand league team are provided of. See, this is a football. Tips and tricks are provided. Which league, which grand league you should join with. So every sport, just sit and relax. Join the league. Come back before and half an hour. Copy the team. Use your brain and win a lot. Also, you can join our Telegram channel. Link is given in the description, or you can go through our app. There also you are provided with the timely notification of each and everything. Okay, I don't want to waste the time. I will go with South African domestic test for the league is being held, which is going on. I will tell about Dolphin versus CC match. In wicketkeeper section we have three best options. I will not say three, only two who are playing. I will tell about them. KL Wermain is a very consistent performer. He is batting 3 down and has been 48, 3, 50, 39, 85, 51 and 72. Last match he scored 51, 4 catches and with 72 in second inning. G. Ralston, you can try in Grand League. He's a very good player. He's also opening the batting, also very good keeper. So I'll go with K. Wermain. You can also take G. Ralston. He's also very good player. Grand League you can must have player. In batting section you can go with S. Irvi. He's an opening batsman, has been brilliant. Second last game he scored, you can see easily. We have prepared you full data. 199 he scored, and last match also he scored 81. So must have player. And for Dolphin, second down playing is Mark Ackerman. You can try him. He's a very good bowler, not bowling this season, but can also bowl. Has been consistent scorer, 40, 50 at least he's scoring. Peter Malan is opening batsman, can also bowl few overs. You can try him, has been good. Then you can go with Jed Hamza. He's a consistent performer, has also played for South African national side, hasn't done yet anything but can do this game. K. Peterson, you can try him also, has been good form, scored 48 last game, 173 before that. You can also go with J. Malan, opening batsman, has played for South Africa recently, much better one-day cricketer, but he can also score in the test cricket also. T. Josue is a hard-hitting batsman. On his day, can easily score 100. Khaila Jondo, he has also played for South African national side. So they are very, very good batsmen available. But Irvi, I will tell you Irvi. And there is, we call Patterson. These two are must. For third player, you can go with Peter Malan, but he has got 250 in 4 games. Then you can go with J. Malan. Okay, I'm going with at the present. I'm going with J. Malan, Patterson, and Irvi. Going with the last match, you can also performance. You can go with Irvi, Ackerman, as everybody is going. Last match J. Malan failed, so nobody is taking him, but he's a very good player. Janeman Malan has also represented in South African one-day side before lockdown. Talking about all-rounders, there is Jay Linde. He's a very good player, will provide points to both batting and bowling. Talking about R. Sweatet, he will also bowl some overs, bowling and very good batsman who plays 6 down. S. Muthuswamy, he can also bowl well. He's a very good spinner, can also bowl well, also bat well. Onyaku, you can try him in Grand League. Filiquayo is a very good player, has not been that successful in longest format, but can also bat well. I'll go with Linde, Swartz and Muthuswamy. You can try Filiquayo, he's a very good player. There are very good players. I will tell you last place we can take who. In bowling section we have Kishore Maharaj, he's an international bowler, very good spinner, must have player, can also bat. T Moriki, he's a very good bowler, accurate bowler, also wicket taker. Al Natinji you can try, he's also bowling at least 15 to 16 overs per match. Zaid Abraham, I will go with him as he is a very good spinner, consistent performer, bowls well, and D. Barterman is also good spinner. You can try him surely. He will give you good. You can see past performance of him in his past 5 matches: 2 wicket, 1 wicket, 4 wicket, 2 wickets. So you can try him. Maharaj and Zaid Abraham and D. Barterman. These three are must. For last player, I will tell you. One place is left. You can go with Zubair Hamza, Peter Malan. He's a very good player, opening batsman. Then there is Andrew Filiquayo. You can also go with C. Bosses. He's a very good pacer. Team Morkey, you can go with him. But I'm going with P. Malan. So this will be our side. For captain, vice captain, I'm telling you the best possible is G. Linde. And for vice captain, you can go with anyone. I will tell you the best possible. There's G. Linde, there's Aswald. G. Linde, you can see batting 5 down, bowling 10 over continuously every match. Has been very good form. Last game he scored 69 and picked 2 wickets. You can also go with Aswald. He has been performing well in both innings, also picking wickets. You can go with Peter Malan. He's an opening batsman. Can go with Andrew Filiquayo. He is a consistent national side player. You can also go with S. Irvi. He's an opening batsman. Then Risky Grand League and vice captain choices is Janaman Malan. He is a very good player. You can go with T. Zorzi. He's a very hard-hitting batsman. Mark Kremen. He can bat in middle order. Can also bowl few over. Kishore Maharaj is an international spinner. But who to go with? I'm going with Aswad because he's a very good bowler and also very good wicket keeper. Also you can go with K. Varine. He's a very good wicket keeper batsman. So this will be our side. If you want one bowler more, you can go with directly swap Malan with Filiquayo. So last minute changes will provide you in Grand League tips, last minute changes in our app. Please install that app. Also join our Telegram channel. I have told you each and every player full detail, given you full stats. If you are loving our work, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and thank you very much. Happy winning. Share as much as you can.